Hey there, so I've made a fatal mistake. I left some tools out here in the rain, got a nice rust stain here on our stamped patio. I'm usually pretty good about taking care of tools, but I've been working on a playhouse the past 4 months, and this one, my planer, kind of slipped by and ended up pretty much sitting there for a few days. We got some rain, now I'm left with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and remove this rust stain here from our stamped concrete patio using vinegar. Vinegar is very acidic, and it's usually good with being able to break down and remove stains. We're gonna see if it will take care of this rust stain. So I got about a cup of water in here. I'm gonna go ahead and add about a cup of vinegar, so we've got equal parts. So this is just white distilled vinegar. What I'm gonna do is just dump some of this onto our area. Get our planer out of the way. Let it sit there for a few minutes and kind of break down some of that rust. It's been a few minutes. Got our son out here. He's gonna give it a little scrub and see what happens. You can definitely see that orange iron rust kind of being dislodged here. I'll say just letting it soak those few minutes and a gentle scrub is really doing more than I expected here.
They do pretty good. Is that some that red stuff?
Yeah.
Oh.
And this here is just a nylon scrub brush. And now we're gonna bust out our power tool, another nylon rotating brush here on our drill. See, we've got some tougher stains embedded in there, but they're continuing to loosen up, and definitely this drill brush is working nicely. So we're gonna continue to just apply vinegar, scrub, let it soak for a bit, and just see if we can get this totally removed. All right, we've got our hose. We're just gonna go ahead and turn it on and spray away the grime. All right, so that vinegar definitely worked way better than I thought. Obviously, it's just a normal household product there. Didn't have to go pick up any special rust remover. It's eco-friendly. And we can see there might be a little tinge there of where we still got a little bit of rust stain. I'm not worrying about it because this stamped patio already has kind of reddish brownish embedded into its color, and no one's gonna notice that. But I'm sure if we wanted, we could scrub even harder and really get it out. So our patio, it's already been sealed. Obviously, anytime you're using any sort of chemical or product, even vinegar, a bit acidic in nature, always good to just test a little area just to ensure it's not gonna do more harm than good. And here's how everything looks after letting it dry. Really can't even notice it. It would be hard for me to pick out where it's at. So if you enjoyed this video, feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks.